So my project inspired by the Legend of Zelda Breath of Wild, and I want to make an open world RPG, and this is two concepts I've used. And one of them is a terrain feature that allows you to create large mass of area in Unity, and this is open world, so I need to create large mass of area. And a lot of stuff are very complex, so we just import it from the Unity asset store, and then and the houses and the stone were all stuff from the Unity asset store. And here's some code that I used, and this is a player movement code, and then this one
What code?
player movement code,
Okay.
and this was the enemy movement code.
These are in the asset store.
Yeah,
No.
it's free though. He didn't pay for anything. Yeah.
This is a demonstration of my project.
Oh, that's why you are asking whether you can have some money and then buy some images or whatever more advanced like functions.
Yeah, they have paid stuff on there too, but I made sure he only got free stuff. And it's just for the artwork. We used it.
Yeah. I was giving critiques like, oh, it's ugly. Can you get some better? Because he said, oh, you need to pay for that.
Okay, so this is an enemy created, and it will just walk towards you if you're in the perimeter.
There we go.
Oh.
Like, look, this enemy is following me. And we can do attacks on him, although he don't have a health.
Oh. Why the enemy? So there's no movement of the enemy?
Oh, there is. It's just he's right next here. Show her like that it follows you.
Look. He...
We just didn't have time to animate the enemy, but he still moves.
Okay,
yeah, but right now
look,
he's just giving those.
Get out of the perimeter, he'll just not follow us. Look, now he's not following because
Backward?
Yeah, he's running backwards.
Can he jump?
Nope.
Oh.
Look, now we're out of his perimeter. He could roll, but we didn't add it.
Okay.
Look, now he's not falling because he's outside of the perimeter. And this is an area I newly added, although there's nothing but trees. It's called the Eden's Garden.
So right now, this person just move to anywhere, no matter it's a mountain or it's a plain. It's like it's on the horizontal place.
Yeah, he wanted to make it so he could climb. So he made it so he could walk up any slope. Oh, that one might be a bit too steep.
Nope. Nope, it's
You're
not
climbing
me.
very slowly.
This is climbing.
Yep. Oh.
Uh-oh.
The
Yeah.
game is
It's just lagging because we're recording too with Zoom.
Come on. Just okay.
Does he have a final destination to be?
No.
Oh.
All right, so there's two areas I newly added. This was This one's a plane, and it got one enemy guarding the Earth sword.
That's a huge sword.
Hey, you wanted the swords to be big, right?
Yep. I'm pretty sure the enemies fly around here.
So, is that the only perspective or angle you can use?
Nope.
Before we had it in first person, but then we switched to
Third
third person.
person.
Yeah. Yeah, you can do any angle you want in Unity. You just like there's a camera you can have and you can move it wherever you want in the scene. Sort of like if you're like filming a movie.
Okay, you can like initially you have the first person, then you switch to third.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just move the camera position.
you can climb to the top.
Mm-hmm.
Can you run faster?
No.
Not when he's climbing like this.
But he could do his spin attack while he's.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, show me something cool like this. Can he flip?
No, but he could roll. But we didn't add the animation to it. Yep, and there's another anime I said to guard the Earth Sword. And the Earth Sword is right up there.
He's swimming the sea?
We can't add ocean, because or else it would just be the ocean to the void.
Oh,
Because look, when you go to the gray area, you will just fall down.
okay,
Yeah,
I'm
it's
gonna
like the
show
edge of the
you.
earth.
yeah.
I'm gonna show you that.
Yeah.
Because look, when you go off the
He's still running.
no.
He's
You-
running and falling at the same time.
because
Yeah. If we had more time, we could have added more animations, but
Now the upside,
Can he fly?
no.
nah, we made sure the gravity would always be affecting him, always pulling him down.
Oh, this is like the settings you can control whether he can fly or not.
Yeah, you can do it with code actually. So
Now he's down his voice.
we have a script that makes it so his velocity is always decreasing if he's not touching the ground.
Is that the whole presentation?
That's the end of him showing you the game. Yeah, I think there's more slides.
Okay.
Yep. And my favorite part is importing stuff, and then that's what we imported.
Importing stuff.
Improvement, more terrains and props, add more animated central castle, and make the player do more things.
Cool.